Good morning. This is MetLoop meteorologist Dave Elliott with your weather outlook for Sunday, December the 25th, 2016. Starting out with the national radar and satellite loop, we can see we've got some rain showers and thunderstorm activity along a warm frontal boundary stretching from Iowa down into Kentucky, Tennessee. Back in Colorado, we're looking at a pretty strong low pressure system that's continuing to develop, and it's firing up some thunderstorms along a line from western Nebraska down into the Texas Panhandle. Just to the north of that low, we're seeing some freezing rain in the western portions of South Dakota and some snowfall back through Wyoming and eastern Idaho up into the northern plains. And switching over to the current temperature map, we can see a pretty good pool of cold air out in the western portions of the U.S. with some single-digit temperatures up into Montana and the western Dakotas. Expect to see these temperatures remain cold and get a little colder here across the next 24 hours as this low-pressure system moves northeast. Again, it's very cold up there. Switching over to the wind chill map right now, we've got some negative teens in the Montana region and some negative single-digit values through the North Dakota areas. For today's outlook, this low pressure we're seeing over Colorado right now is going to track to the northeast, and as it does, we're going to see it bring some pretty strong blizzard-type conditions to the Dakotas this evening and overnight into the next 24 hours. We're expecting to see anywhere from 8 to upwards of 14 to 15 inches of snow along this area through northwestern South Dakota, through North Dakota, and up into Canada. Along with this are going to be some really strong cold winds switching to the northwest later on today. So visibilities are going to be very low, and it's going to be very ugly blizzard conditions in that area. Down a little further southward through Nebraska and Kansas and even down into western Oklahoma, we are looking for a chance for some severe thunderstorm activity as these storms develop through the day today. The primary threat with these storms is going to be some very strong winds, but we also can't rule out some large hailstones dropping from these. So if you're in that area, please keep an eye on the weather and stay safe. And that's your U.S. weather outlook for the day today. We hope you have a good weather day wherever you are, and as always, please be sure to follow MetLoop on Facebook and Twitter for all the latest and greatest weather information.